Yes.
I'm standing within an electrical substation. We all have seen such electrical substations in our cities and towns, which is step down the high voltage from a transmission line to the distribution levels. At ARIA, the Department of Electrical Engineering has created such a electrical substation within their laboratory. We have with us Professor Bharat Bhushan, the head of the Department of Electrical Engineering at ARIA. Professor Bhushan, what is this lab all about?
Basically, this lab gives the demonstration of generation, transmission and distribution of the electrical power. The main concept is that to synchronize the main problem in the power station. Basically, we are generating the power from different generators and then synchronizing at the level of voltage at a high voltage. Then we are stepping up it by using the transformers. We can see the transformers behind us are stepping that voltage into a sustainable level and then transmit to the at the consumer end. Then at consumer we are consuming the power at low level. Then again it is distributed to the consumers in the low level voltage level. Then we using this again as transformer known as step down transformer. And then again it is distributed to the consumers at a substantial level of 400 volt. The generation in the large generation we are talking about the voltage level of about the 400 kV, and we are using only at the level of 400 volt or 230 volt at a single phase consumers. Here we create a model of that strategy. Then we are generating a transmission line, the line using the same wire we are using in the actual power transmission line. Similarly, this is a distribution line. You see whenever you going in the car, you see it on the towers and the insulator string, and generally we see that like a spring. Or here we are showing that insulator at just near your eyes. Then you see the difference of that level and voltage level. Here we are using the 1.1 kV voltage at that transmission line. On this transmission line we are using 415 volt at that level.
What actually inspired the creation of this lab? Because it is very boldly written out there that this is a beyond curriculum kind of a lab. So what was the inspiration behind?
We developed by own, and this is first in Rajasthan we have this lab only. After that, our second college we also have this lab. And these are basically each student is not possible to go at the GSS, and you can see this high voltage or 1000 ampere current is flowing. So they stop you, the restricted area. You can't touch those things.
Okay.
Here you can touch these things.
So this is basically to give a live example of a live electrical project to the students at large, to enthuse them about what electrical engineering is all about.
We are giving them exposure to those things they have to face in their life.